Welcome to Extreme Purging. I'm John Stedman, Technical Director of Aquapurge, and here's the star of the show, Barrel Blitz Universal. And this is Engel's latest and greatest, the Victory 120. She is some piece of kit. And Engel UK is an amazing company. There's no coincidence that they've been the top machine supplier for the last 5 million years. Well, a long time anyway. I'm going to show you how to increase the throughput of even this machine using state-of-the-art purging compounds. With a few kilos of Barrel Blitz Universal, we're going to see the carbon just melt away. You're going to be amazed. No, you're not going to be amazed. Look, that's crap. This is a fantastic piece of machine. But where's the challenge? Where's the Extreme Purging Challenge? It's top of the range, it's brand new, never been used. Purging won't prove a thing. Look, you know it, I know it, our competitors know it. What we need is a proper demonstration. So let me introduce you to old Nessie. She's a Netztal 90 ton, born in 1995, done over 60,000 hours of hard labour. We've had her for a while, so you can imagine the type of materials we've had through her. Anything from PVC right through to peaks. But the brilliant thing is, she'll show you exactly what Barrel Blitz Universal can do. Everybody knows that the screw and barrel are the heart of an injection moulding machine. Well, Barrel Blitz Universal makes everything as clean as a whistle. So if you're doing a colour change or material change, you get a deep down clean. So as long as your machine is in good nick, it's like taking it back to original factory conditions. It's like having a new heart again. The brilliant thing about old Nessie is that she has a shut-off nozzle as standard, which means she has more hang-ups in a telephone call centre. We've disconnected it, but left the gunk in there. That'll make it a proper test. You can shift all that with Barrel Blitz Universal and move from one material to the next with ease. I'm going to show you how. Now this really is extreme purging. Material changes don't get much more extreme than this. PVC to acetal. We know what that can mean. Boom! You shouldn't really follow one with the other because that's just silly. But with Barrel Blitz Universal you can, as long as you're careful. Health and safety is always important, but take extra care with this one. We start purging through with PVC until it looks and smells like PVC. We're then going to mould it for a while on the spiral flow die until it starts to degrade. You can see the spirals getting shorter, turning from blue to green, and then finally to brown. Lovely. Now the magic happens. We purge through with Barrel Blitz Universal until it looks and smells clean. And that means it's clean. I'm sure you've seen the advice telling you to follow PVC with a strip down. Not needed with Barrel Blitz Universal, as this gets rid of the PVC without the need for another time-consuming step. Sit back, knowing that your acetal won't go off with a bang. Just a quick warning, there are two things you should avoid with Barrel Blitz Universal, and this is quite normal for purging compounds. 1. Don't try this with hot runners. They're too small and too complicated. We've got other products for that. 2. Filter nozzles and mixer nozzles. Same problem. Again, we've got other products for these. So this is just the start. We've come up with 3 common extreme purging trials. So now it's your turn. We want you to challenge us, to give us your extreme purging trials, and we'll video the results. So why don't you just give us a call or email us.